dogs namin. Pinangat for cats and dogs. And then, inihaw na fish for us. So, yun lang friends. Yan lang ang menu namin for today. So, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. So, masaya na yung pusa namin na may ulam sila palagi. Yan ulam namin. Inihaw na isda. Yan din for cat and dogs. So, yun lang guys. Thank you. God bless. Ulit.